Welcome to our video on how to cleanse your colon naturally at home. Your digestive system works hard every day, but sometimes it needs a little extra help to stay clean and efficient. If you're dealing with bloating, discomfort, or irregularity, your body might need a natural colon cleanse. Today, we're sharing 10 effective and safe methods to cleanse your colon naturally at home. These tips will help you support your gut health, improve digestion, and feel your best without any risky products. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 10, stay hydrated. Water is one of the simplest and most effective ways to support your colon. Drinking enough water softens stool. It makes it easier to pass through your digestive system. Additionally, proper hydration helps to flush out toxins. It also promotes healthy bowel movements. To stay hydrated, aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. You can also start your day with a glass of warm water with lemon for added detox benefits. Herbal teas like chamomile or ginger can also support digestion and hydration. Another great way to hydrate is by drinking coconut water. It has natural electrolytes that aid digestion and prevent dehydration. A pinch of sea salt in your water can also improve hydration. This helps by balancing your body's electrolytes. To make it a habit, carry a reusable water bottle. It will remind you to stay hydrated. You can also set reminders on your phone to drink water. This is helpful especially if you have a busy schedule. Coming in at number 9 is eat high-fiber foods. Fiber is an essential ingredient for a healthy colon. It adds bulk to your stool and helps food move through your digestive system. High-fiber foods can also feed beneficial gut bacteria. This is important as they are vital for digestion and immune health. If you are looking for the best high-fiber foods, here are some examples. For fruits, apples, pears, berries, and oranges. For vegetables, broccoli, carrots, spinach, and Brussels sprouts. For whole grains, oats, quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread. For legumes, lentils, beans, and chickpeas. If you are not used to eating high-fiber foods, here is a pro tip. Increase your fiber intake slowly to avoid bloating. You can also drink plenty of water to help fiber work. Also, include seeds like chia and flax seeds in your diet. They're high in fiber and omega-3s. They also reduce colon inflammation. Sprinkle them on oatmeal, smoothies, or yogurt for an easy boost. To add variety, rotate your fiber sources. Include a mix of soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber in oats and apples helps absorb water. Insoluble fiber in whole grains and vegetables adds bulk to stool. At number 8, include probiotics in your diet. Probiotics are good bacteria that support gut health. They help balance your gut microbiome, which is essential for a healthy colon. Probiotics can also reduce inflammation and improve regularity. You can get probiotics from these food sources: yogurt with live cultures, sauerkraut, and kimchi. However, if food isn't giving you enough probiotics, you can try a good probiotic supplement. Prebiotics can also help your colon. Examples of these are garlic, bananas, and asparagus. They work by feeding the good gut bacteria. By using both prebiotics and probiotics, you can maximize your colon health. To select the right probiotic, choose supplements with multiple bacteria strains, like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. They ensure that you're getting a diverse gut health support. Check for a minimum of 10 billion CFUs, colony-forming units, for effectiveness. Next on our list, at number 7, is use natural laxatives. Natural laxatives can help with occasional constipation and promote bowel movements. These are much better because they are less likely to cause dependency or irritation. Some of the effective natural laxatives are aloe vera juice, prune juice, and flax seeds. However, you should be careful when using natural laxatives. You should only use it sparingly. If you are often constipated, consult a healthcare provider. It may indicate an underlying disease that needs to be treated immediately. Taking magnesium citrate can also be a natural option. It does not only relieve constipation, it works by drawing water into the intestines, making stools easier to pass. Be sure to use it under the guidance of a healthcare professional. If you want a long-term solution, shift to a better diet and exercise. This will reduce the need for laxatives over time. Number 6 in our list is practice regular exercise. Physical activity is not only good for your heart and muscles, but it's also good for your colon. Exercise stimulates intestinal contractions. These contractions helps prevent constipation and promotes regular bowel movements. You can do exercises like walking for 30 minutes daily, yoga poses that target digestion, like the seated twist, light jogging, or cycling. This is important because moving more each day can greatly improve your digestion. Activities like Tai Chi and Pilates can also improve digestion. They do this by strengthening core muscles and boosting circulation. Even small movements, such as stretching after meals, can support digestive health. You can stay motivated by joining a local walking or fitness group for social support. Using fitness trackers to monitor steps can also encourage consistency. At number 5, try herbal remedies. Certain herbs have been used for centuries to support colon health and aid digestion. These natural remedies can help cleanse your colon gently and effectively. One example of a herbal remedy is senna. This herb promotes bowel movements, which helps you clear your bowel. Another herb is peppermint, which relieves bloating and aids digestion. Lastly, you can also add ginger to your list, as this stimulates digestion and reduces inflammation. Before trying herbal remedies, always consult your healthcare provider first. They may know which herbal remedies are for you. To use herbs safely, start with small doses and observe how your body responds. Consider herbal teas as an easy way to incorporate these remedies into your daily routine. Aside from herbal remedies, you can also try including spices in your meals. Incorporating these spices into your meals can aid in cleansing and improving overall digestion. Some of these spices are turmeric, cumin, and coriander. These spices lowers inflammation and promotes detoxification. Also, they boost enzyme production for digestion and reduce bloating and gas. You can add these spices to your soups, stews, or roasted vegetables. Blending them into smoothies is another creative way to incorporate their benefits. Try creating spice blends at home to use in everyday cooking. This ensures you're consistently including digestion-supportive ingredients to your meals. Number 4 in our list is focus on anti-inflammatory foods. Inflammation in the colon can disrupt digestion and lead to discomfort. Anti-inflammatory foods can soothe the digestive tract and promote healing. Some of the anti-inflammatory foods include fatty fish like salmon or mackerel, walnuts, and turmeric. Adding these foods to your diet can help reduce irritation and support your overall colon health. Make a turmeric spice lentil soup or a spinach salad with walnuts and olive oil dressing. Both are nutrient-rich anti-inflammatory meals. At number 3 is do an occasional juice cleanse. Juice cleanses can provide a short-term way to give your digestive system a break and flood your body with nutrients. They usually involve drinking fresh fruit and vegetable juices for 1 to 3 days. For a juice cleanse, include detoxifying ingredients like celery, cucumber, ginger, and lemon. Another way is to avoid added sugars or processed juices. However, it is important to listen to your body and stop the cleanse if you feel unwell. While juice cleanses can be beneficial, they should not replace a balanced diet. Also, try smoothies with fiber-rich ingredients like spinach, chia seeds, and avocado. They are better than juice cleanses. Smoothies keep the fiber of fruits and veggies, and they are good for colon health. After a juice cleanse, slowly eat solid foods. Start with light, easy-to-digest options like steamed vegetables and broth-based soups. Occasional full-body detoxes can complement your colon cleansing efforts. You can also add antioxidant-rich foods to your detox. Include berries, dark leafy greens, and green tea. Focus on foods that are organic and minimally processed to reduce toxin intake. Nearing the top of our list at number 2 is get enough sleep. Good sleep is crucial for overall health, including colon function. During sleep, your body repairs itself, including your digestive system. It is important that you keep this in mind. Poor sleep can disrupt digestion and lead to issues like constipation or bloating. Here are tips for better sleep. Stick to a consistent bedtime schedule. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals before bedtime. You can also create a relaxing bedtime routine, like reading or meditating. Also, try to add magnesium-rich foods to your evening routine. Eat almonds and dark chocolate. Magnesium relaxes your muscles and improves sleep. To have a better sleeping environment, make your room quiet and dark. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows too. Finally, at number 1 is limit processed foods and sugary drinks. Processed foods and sugary drinks can disrupt your gut microbiome and lead to poor colon health. They are often low in fiber and high in additives that can irritate your digestive system. Some foods that you need to avoid are sugary sodas, fried foods, and excessive red or processed meats. Instead, replace these with whole, nutrient-rich foods to support your colon. Also, use natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup instead of refined sugar. Here's an idea. Make homemade snacks like trail mixes with nuts and dried fruit. For your bread choices, replace white bread with whole grain options. And there you have it, the 10 ways on how to cleanse your colon naturally at home. Stay hydrated, eat high-fiber foods, include probiotics in your diet, use natural laxatives, practice regular exercise, try herbal remedies, Focus on anti-inflammatory foods, do an occasional juice cleanse, get enough sleep, and limit processed foods and sugary drinks. Cleansing your colon naturally at home doesn't have to be complicated. The goal isn't to rely on extreme cleanses, it's to adopt sustainable changes for long-term digestive health. If you have digestive issues or plan major diet changes, consult a healthcare provider. They can ensure the approach is safe and effective for you. Start taking small steps today to maintain a healthy colon. We'd love to hear from you. Which of these colon cleansing methods will you be trying first? Or do you have a favorite natural remedy you swear by? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest health tips. Also, don't forget to check out our merchandise and consider sending us a super thanks. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content for our community. Thank you for watching and take care of your health.